my channel. If you're new, welcome. So, I'm sorry, I am so red right now. We were outside working in the yard just a little bit ago before I made this video. Also, my hair is gross and I'm getting a haircut on Wednesday, so that will be great. With all this quarantine thing going on, it's just not turning out great. So, but today's video, we are going to be doing a what's in my fridge and freezer area. So let's get to it. Butter, different kinds of butter. I have the unsalted and the regular salted, and this one has chicken broth, Italian seasoning, jelly, and then actually on the outside, or the inside I should say, we have more chicken stock, hot sauce, and tapatio, of course. Here we have Hershey syrup, hot sauce, pure Michigan maple syrup. We usually get this every time we go to Michigan at their apple orchard. They have this. It's really good. And then we have yum yum sauce. And then our caramel macchiato creamer. And then ranch is behind here. Side of the fridge we have pickles, soy sauce, mustard, honey mustard, and then more unsalted butter. So we always seem to forget that we have butter and buy more. And then some more mustard. We have like so much mustard. We have tartar sauce, more mustard, mayonnaise, and then back behind the mayonnaise is the ketchup. Up top, we have our Snapple, leftover pizza, eggs over here, and then we have Cokes, any like sauces that we use for pasta, and then more seasoning, Thousand Island, and the creamer. We also have a bunch of half and half. I usually use my coffee. I was using creamer, but like, I don't know, I like to switch it up a little bit. I also use milk too. And then down here, we have our wine, of course, sweet tea, more coffee in the back, margarita mix, whole milk, 2 things of orange juice, and lemonade in the back. And then on this side, we have some blueberries. I've been like obsessing with blueberries lately, so I've been eating that. A thing of cream cheese. Let me see. A thing of cream cheese. And then a whole bunch of yogurt. And then we have applesauce, which we usually, I don't know, I usually pack Justin's lunch, but since he hasn't been going to work, it's, you know, just been eating it. And then queso, some jelly in the back with some Parmesan cheese. And then down here, we've got some chicken breast that I usually use for my pasta. Leftovers are usually down in this area. We got some sour cream, lemon juice, and some gravy. I don't know why we have gravy randomly, but we do. Let's see. So this drawer is our meats and cheeses. And it's just kind of all over the place. I need to organize, and I will do a video of me organizing my fridge, but I'm not going to do that until we move to Texas. And then this is just like the veggie area. I'm not sure if anybody can tell me like the humidity controls for these, because I really don't know. I probably should just look it up, but if you guys know, just let me know which one to use for what. So that's our fridge. Bagel bites down here, waffles, and then drumsticks. We also have ground turkey, We usually don't get the organic, but that's what they gave us at the store. That's all they had. And then shrimp. And then we have frozen meat that we need to thaw out. So this section is our alcohol section. Don't judge. We got bread up here. We got some veggies, frozen veggies over here. Smoothie stuff. And then hash browns. But yeah, that's about it. I didn't know how I wanted to do this video. It was kind of last minute, and I'm very sorry about that. And I'm very tired. Like, I just got off work as well, so I'm sorry. I'm trying to make my videos better, and just with everything going on, it's just kind of hard to do that. So but I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd want me to do. And yeah, once we move to Texas, then I will do a whole organizing video for you guys. I'll do the fridge, I'll do the pantry. I'm super excited to finally have a pantry. We don't really have one. The closest that we have to a pantry is this right here. That is it. So I will definitely organize and get a video out there for you guys when we move. So, but thanks for hanging out, and I hope you enjoyed this video.